Hello, tigers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read the temperature and relative humidity using the thermometer from your kit. All right, so let's first take a look at the temperature. So these numbers in here are scaled to the temperature in Fahrenheit, and each one of these lines are skipping by tens. So for example, starting from 0, you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. All right, so what you are going to have to do is to guesstimate what is the closest temperature. We do not want to round to the nearest 10. We would like to have a more precise measurement. So if I know here is 60 and here is 70 and there is 80, my thermometer is showing a little above the 70 line. And here is 80. So maybe for this one, I'm going to guesstimate is around 72, 73 degrees Fahrenheit. For the relative humidity measurement, you are going to take a look where the little pointer is showing, and this is a percentage. So starting from 0 to 100%, where is the pointer closest to? So right now I have a pointer that is really close to be right in the middle in between 40 and 50. If I look closely, it seems like it's slightly before the 45 line. So I can say that is in between 44 and 45% of relative humidity. The last thing I would like to share about your thermometer, find a nice spot outside and just hang it like right side up, and always live in the same place, because if you're recording the temperature from different places, that would be not a very data. And also, if you are not leaving your thermometer outside at the same time, wait a few minutes before you take the measurement. So if you are bringing your thermometer outside every day, you take it outside, wait for a few minutes, and then you take your measurement, or else your thermometer is still going to be showing the inside temperature. All right, I hope you find this helpful. I'll see you in class.